In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create electrical diagrams in drawio. First, open your browser and go to draw.io, also known as app.diagrams.net. On the start screen, create a new diagram. Choose blank diagram or a grid if you prefer, then confirm to open the canvas. Before placing symbols, expand your shape libraries. At the bottom of the left sidebar, click plus more shapes. In the dialog, scroll down to the other section, check electrical, and click apply. This adds a dedicated electrical library to your sidebar so you don't have to search for common circuit symbols. Back on the canvas, find the new electrical section in the library. Click to expand it, then drag and drop components like resistors, diodes, and sources onto the page. Use the grid to space parts evenly. Snapping will help keep everything aligned. If a symbol is facing the wrong way, don't worry. We'll fix orientation in a moment. Now connect components just like you would wire them on paper. You can pick the line tool from the toolbar, or simply hover over a component until you see green connection points. Drag from one green handle to another to create a connector. Connectors auto-snap to ports, and you can nudge waypoints to keep paths clean. For neat schematics, keep connections horizontal and vertical. Holding shift while dragging helps keep lines straight. To make the diagram easy to read, use the Style tab in the right panel. Increase the stroke width slightly for main wires, or change colors to highlight power rails versus signals. If corners look messy, switch the connector style to orthogonal for tidy right angles. When a component needs reorientation, open the Arrange tab to rotate or flip it so terminals face the correct direction. Small tweaks here dramatically improve clarity. If you build a custom part, maybe a resistor with a fixed label or a grouped subcircuit, save it for reuse. Select the elements and drag them into the scratchpad area in the sidebar. Your saved snippet will be ready to drop into future diagrams, keeping symbols consistent across projects. For larger circuits, organize with layers so editing stays manageable. Open the Layers panel, create a layer for the power section, another for control, and another for notes. Move elements to the appropriate layer, then hide or lock layers while you work on others. Clear naming and layer visibility make it simple to focus on one portion without disturbing the rest. That's it. By enabling the electrical library, wiring with connectors, fine-tuning style and orientation, saving custom parts, and managing layers, you'll produce neat, professional electrical diagrams in Draw.io with confidence.